Hello, I just started earning LTC coin for free. The registration is for free. You can withdraw for free, and even claiming the coins are for free. All you need to do is to go ahead today, claim your point every single hour and claim a Litecoin. Basically, I do this every day, but if you are more enthusiastic, you can claim your Litecoin every single hours. Now, for those asking if we have withdrawn, we have already withdrawn, and this is our withdrawal evidence right there on our Telegram. So I was able to withdraw 0.1800 Litecoin directly into my BitGet wallet. And if you can check the current price of Litecoin, you will understand that Litecoin is beating the market. You can get up to 1000 USDT, 2000 USDT from this update. But first of all, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video. Go ahead in the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. Now, the registration on the link of this website will be dropped right there on the Telegram group, so you just join the Telegram group to get the link. Then you're going to register with your email. You're going to insert your email, insert a password, do your verification and sign in. So that is what I'm going to do right here. So okay, I will confirm that I'm not a bot. Then I will log in. Okay, that is log in successfully. So there are other ways to earn this LTC coin in this app. I'm going to show you and take you through the step-to-step procedure, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video. So as you can see, my current balance is over 1712. Actually, I made this video yesterday, so currently I have over 3000 LTC ready for withdrawal. So as you can see, the withdrawal and the claiming of this LTC. So this is the hourly let's just say the daily claim of my LTC. Like I told you, I haven't been currently consistent, but if you're consistent, you can be able to claim this in hours. Like, you're going to earn 250 LTC. So other way to earn is through completing these taxes. You can go ahead and comment on the LTC program. So click on this trust product right here. Now what it gives you is about 50,000 LTC, and what you just need to do is to comment that you're going to comment on the LTC, whether it is a good app or a bad app. You can just drop a comment. Now if you drop a comment, they're going to give you 50,000 LTC. It only take them 24 hours for them to recheck your review. Now another way for you to earn is through sharing this LTC in your YouTube channel. That will give you about 1 million LTC, but right here is for just the comments. Like I said, right here, it's a good app. I have some good tokens in it, like we have over there. So what you're going to do is to get to this challenge, but for now I think that they have ended this opportunity to earn about 50,000 Litecoin, but supposedly with time you're going to be earning some token with your Litecoin. The only ones that open is through YouTube. So you're going to do the same thing right here. You're going to post a video about them, share it, copy your YouTube link and click in right there. They are going to review your proof. If the video has more than 350 views, you're going to be credited with over 1 million LTC. So you can use my video and paste in the link right there. If this video gets up to 350, you are going to earn some Litecoin. So another way for you to earn is through short links. Short links is just a way of using your LTC to get more LTC in a little time. So what you're going to do is to select any short link right here. You can see the game, dice, the memes, the barrack, the slots, the poker, etc. Like, so what we're going to do is to select on dice. We're going to use dice, since a lot of people right here have been using dice and they have been earning a lot of LTC. So I'll click on the dice right here. The amount I'll put in right here is 0.00001 LTC and so much more. So I'll click in to get more LTC. My chance of getting an LTC within seconds is 0.00001, and I will be losing 0.00001 also if I am not profiting good. So don't forget to go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, stay alerted, and join us on Telegram to get more updates.